Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best bed cover for F150 that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Rugged Liner Soft Folding Tonneau Cover. Are you searching for an affordable and low maintenance bed cover for your pickup truck? Rugged Liner Soft Folding Tonneau Cover is a reasonably priced, high-quality and impressive tonneau cover. The installation of this folding tonneau cover is super easy. All the parts come assembled in the package. Moreover, you don't need a drill and other mechanical tools to install the panel on your truck bed. In fact, the installation is only a 3-minute process. You can fix and remove this bed cover with a patented clamp system. The cover fits the bed securely. You can keep the bed cover open or closed when the car is in motion. Second up is the Extang Trifecta Signature 2.0 Soft Folding Cover. Made of sturdy canvas material, Extang Trifecta Signature 2.0 Soft Folding Bed Cover is one of the easy-to-install options for pickup truck owners. You don't need a drill and other tools for installation. In fact, installation is as simple as placing the cover on the top of the bed and fastening the clamps. That's it! Extang Trifecta Signature 2.0 Soft Folding features a sleek, smooth and folding design. The clamps are designed in such a manner that they connect directly with the truck's bed flanges. This variant of Trifecta 2.0 has the same security features as its siblings. Third in line is the TruXedo Sentry Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover. Just like other TruXedo bed covers, this tonneau cover by TruXedo features heavy-duty leather grain material that is durable. It has a low-profile design that complements all types of pickup trucks quite well. The aluminium planks keep the dirt, dust, rain, snow, and other weather elements from your truck's bed. It is one of the easiest to operate bed cover on this list. TruXedo Sentry Hard Rolling Tonneau Cover comes equipped with an operational cable that is located on both ends of the tailgate. You only need to pull this cable to open the cover and roll it towards the cab. Fourth up is the RetraxPRO XR Retractable F150 bed cover. Retrax has manufactured this high-quality tonneau cover that features a sturdy construction and premium materials. The retractable cargo cover has aluminium planks that are strong enough to prevent dust and filth from accumulating in the truck's bed. Available in the matte finish with the key lock mechanism, RetraxPRO bed cover is a full aluminium product. It is compatible with the T-slot accessories that increase the truck's loading capacity. RetraxPRO XR Retractable F150 bed cover is a low-profile cover that features a strong seal. Lastly, fifth up is the Undercover Flex Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Do you want a tonneau cover that gives you full control over your cargo and bed? Well, Undercover Flex Hard Folding Tonneau Cover will make an ideal option. Easy installation, easy operation, and sturdy cover material are some of the best qualities of this bed cover. This hard folding tonneau cover features planks made of RFP composite material. It is far better than aluminium panels. You can drive the pickup truck with the tonneau cover open. It features prop rods that keep the bed cover secured in the upright position. It gives you full access to the bed and cargo. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.